Hi guys, it's Ashley from Level Up English, and today I'm going to do a lesson on how you can speak English fast. Have you ever listened to a native speaker and thought, oh my word, what are they even saying? Or I wish I could speak English faster so I can sound more like a native speaker. But let me tell you a little trick before we even begin. Did you know that native speakers do not always speak fast? It sounds like we're speaking fast because we have this way of speaking where we are linking all our words together so that a sentence sounds like we're saying it fast. You don't always see it in my videos because I make a special effort to speak slowly so you can understand exactly what I'm saying. Let me give you an example using this sentence. The sentence is, tomorrow I have so much to do. I need to study English, go to the mall to do some shopping, and then I need to spend some time playing with my son, and then we will have dinner and we will watch a movie. Okay, so a native speaker would say the sentence just like this. Tomorrow I have so much to do. I need to study English, go to the mall and do some shopping, and then I need to spend some time playing with my son, and then we'll have dinner and watch a movie. Did you hear that? You can hear from this sentence that the speed and pace is sort of the same, but there are words in this sentence that run together. Like I didn't say, I need to study English. Instead, I said, I needa study English. Do you see how I said needa instead of need to? I don't say we will watch a movie. Instead, I say we'll watch a movie. This is how we speak. Needa, gotta, have to. Linking words together in our sentences is exactly how we sound like we are speaking fast. Another important pronunciation tip to go with this is how you pronounce words that end with double consonants. When we are taught these words in a traditional classroom, we're taught to pronounce these words by emphasizing the double consonants at the end. Let me show you what I mean. We have these 5 words: drill, class, ball, grass, and shall. But native speakers pronounce these words differently in sentences. Instead of saying the grass was tall, we say the grass was tall. See, my sentence and speed remained the same, but it sounded faster because I didn't emphasize the double consonant letters at the end. Let's check it again. The class had an emergency fire drill. I would say the class had an emergency fire drill. If you would like to learn 5 tips on how to speak English fluently and faster, then continue watching this video. So my first tip is to use contractions. Now you've all experienced contractions even if you don't know it. Let me give you some examples. Can't, which is cannot. Which sentence do you think a native speaker might use? Is it A, I cannot find my phone, or B, I can't find my phone? Which one do you think sounds faster? Can't, right? We always use contractions. I can't find my phone. I can't do my homework. I can't drive, and so on. Let's look at other popular contractions. First is cannot, which becomes can't. I can't find my phone. Next we have are not, which becomes aren't. Aren't you going to make notes? Next is could not, which becomes couldn't. I couldn't do my homework. 4 is did not, which becomes didn't. I didn't watch the movie yesterday. Next we have he would becomes he'd. He'd rather go to the party with his friends than do his homework. And 6 we have not, which becomes haven't. I haven't seen this movie yet. And finally number 7 is not becomes isn't. And the sentence is he isn't very happy with his new job. Do you see how fluent and fluid a sentence sounds using contractions? If you would like the 12 most common contractions used by native speakers, then you can find a full free PDF guide in the description of this video. Our second tip is actually our most important tip: reduce verbs. I'm going to share the 7 most common English reductions to speak English faster. First, the words going to, which becomes gonna. I'm gonna learn English today. Gonna. I'm gonna have supper. Next, we have the words want to, which becomes wanna. I wanna learn to speak English fast. Wanna. I wanna watch a movie. Our third one is got to, which becomes gotta. I've gotta learn English today. Gotta. I've gotta get the new iPhone. Our fourth one is let me, which becomes lemme. Let me help you. Lemme. Let me check on that for you. Our next one is don't you, which becomes don'tcha. Don'tcha like pizza? Don'tcha. Don't you want to have some ice cream? Our sixth one is did you, which becomes didja. Did you read my email? Didja. Did you subscribe to my channel? And our final English reduction for this lesson is have to, which becomes have to. I have to learn English today. Have to. I have to do well in my exam. You can find more common English reductions in the free PDF guide in the description of this video. Let's look at our third tip for speaking English fast. Stop saying you. But how can we do this? Let me give you 3 examples. Instead of saying, what are you doing? We can say, what you doing? What you doing? 2. Instead of saying, where are you going? We can say, where you going? Where you going? And our final one is, would you like to have dinner with me? And we can say, would you like to have dinner with me? Would you like to have dinner with me? So would you becomes would ya. Would you like to learn English today? Okay, let's go to tip number 4. Tip number 4 is simple. You don't have to pronounce the T at the end of words. Let's practice this with 5 examples. You get what I'm saying, right? The rat ran out of the restaurant. I'm going to see my aunt later tonight. The hat is at my apartment. My cat went for a walk. And our final tip for this lesson to speak English fast is to stop pronouncing the letter G at the end of words. Let's practice this using the following 3 sentences. Where are you going? Or where you going? What are you doing? Or what you doing? Are you playing a game? Or are you playing a game? So you can see that we removed the G at the end of the words. And there you have it. 5 hot tricks to help you speak English fast and fluently and to make you sound more like a native English speaker. In the description of this video, you will find a link to a free PDF guide on how to speak English fast. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, comment on which tip or tips you plan to use to speak English faster, and most importantly, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with the latest English learning videos and my live lessons. Subscribing is so important so that you do not miss out on live lessons, and these live lessons are so that you can interact and ask me questions about English. Okay, so thank you for your time, and this is Ashley Hale with Level Up English signing out. Bye!